What are you looking for?
Logic.
Maybe you should keep looking. Hello and welcome to another episode of Where's the Logic? In this show we talk about everything that made sense last week and everything that did not. So let's begin. लास्ट ईयर था कोविड का और इस साल है गाइडलाइंस का। लास्ट वीक गवर्नमेंट ने गाइडलाइंस की बौछार नहीं करी बल्कि बाढ़ लगाई है। गाइडलाइंस तो ऐसे बढ़ रहे हैं इस देश में जैसे पेट्रोल के प्राइसेस हों, बट विल कम टू दैट लेटर। सो द गवर्नमेंट अनाउंस सम, well actually it was quite a lot of guidelines for social media platforms and इस बार तो हमारे सुख दुख के साथ ही नेटफ्लिक्स और अमेजॉन प्राइम, बोले तो ओवर द टॉप प्लेटफॉर्म जिसे हम OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स कहते हैं, उसे भी नहीं छोड़ा। मतलब दुखती नस पे हमला हुआ है इस साल। Under the new rules, the center has made it compulsory for social media companies like Facebook, Twitter to take down contentious content as early as possible, but not later than 36 hours after a government or legal order. The social media giants will have to provide information and cooperate with investigation within 72 hours of a request from authorities. OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स को भी कैटेगरी में डिवाइड करा गया है एज के हिसाब से। जैसे मूवीज़ को सर्टिफाई करते हैं, यू बोले तो सब देखेंगे, ए बोले तो अडल्ट कंटेंट विच पीपल एंड अप वॉचिंग एज लॉन्ग एज पेरेंट्स डोंट फाइंड आउट। बट गवर्नमेंट ने बहुत स्मार्टली इसका भी तरीका निकाला है इस बार। तो अब OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे पेरेंटल कंट्रोल भी होगा, सो यू विल डिसाइड व्हाट योर किड्स विल वॉच।
ऊना गे।
But the government said कि OTT platforms पे guidelines लगाने का ये मतलब नहीं था that they are trying to censor content. Well, I wonder what else it could have meant.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get me.
The minister said that television media follows program codes under Cable Television Networks Regulation Act, but there are no rules for the OTT platforms. That's why the government thought of creating a level playing field. All media platforms must have the same justice system. That's why digital, print, OTT, TV needs to follow the same rules and regulation, the ministry added. कहा था ना, guidelines पीछा नहीं छोड़ेंगे। हमने टीवी देखना छोड़ा because of all the guidelines, and now they are here to ruin everyone's Netflix and chill. Talking about following guidelines, WhatsApp has decided to go ahead with their new privacy policy despite all the criticism and backslash. जो भी है, ये सोशल मीडिया जायंट्स सीख गए हैं कि कैसे लोगों की बात पे ध्यान नहीं देना है। हंगामा हो, प्रोटेस्ट हो, कुछ भी हो, probably they are learning from our government, but who can tell? Despite global backslash, instant messaging platform WhatsApp has announced that it would go ahead with its controversial new policy update. You remember WhatsApp was sending a notification to accept or reject their updated policy by February 8th? हाँ वही, अब डेडलाइन May 15 हो चुका है। चीज़ें बदली नहीं हैं, बस प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट हुई हैं। इंडिया है आफ्टर ऑल। So if you want to continue using WhatsApp, you will have to accept the policy by May 15th or you exit the app.
निकल जा इस घर से।
However, the Facebook-owned app said that it would provide users with more information regarding the new policy, which they would be able to read at their own pace. The app would incorporate banners with additional information, and these banners would appear as in-app notification. The company further added that it would work to counter misinformation regarding the new update. तो अब Netflix पे गंदा शो देखने के बाद WhatsApp पे क्रिप भी नहीं कर सकते। ये क्या तांडव चल रहा है? Oh, speaking of तांडव, the Allahabad High Court rejected the anticipatory bail plea of Aparna Purohit, the India content chief of Amazon Prime Video, who has been booked in 10 FIRs across the country for hurting religious sentiments by streaming the web series Tandav. On the title of the show, the order said that the use of word Tandav as the name of the movie can be offensive to the majority of the people of this country, since this word is associated with a particular act assigned to Lord Shiva, who is considered to be a creator, conservator and destroyer of all mankind altogether. I always thought Tandav means dance of fury, but looks like that's making some people furious. मूविंग ऑन, तांडव तो भैया हो रहा है पेट्रोल और एलपीजी के प्राइसेस पे। तो अब पेट तक बात आ गई है। लॉकडाउन लिफ्ट हुआ तो पेट्रोल के प्राइसेस बढ़ गए, सो नाउ यू कांट गो आउट टू ईट। सोचा कि चलो ठीक है घर पे खाना बना लेंगे, तो गैस के प्राइसेस बढ़ गए। अब तो खाना ऑर्डर भी नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि डिलीवरी वाले भैया साइकिल पे तो आते नहीं है। अब इंसान करे तो क्या करे।
2 दिन से हम दोनों ने खाना नहीं खाया।
The oil marketing companies have hiked the price of liquefied petroleum gas or LPG by rupees 25 per cylinder on February 25th. And let me remind you, this is the third hike in February. In just 3 weeks, the cooking gas refills have been made more expensive by around 100 rupees on a cylinder. Following the latest rise, a 14.2 kg cylinder in Delhi costs 794 as against 769 on Wednesday.
क्या चाहते हो? बच्चे की जान लेना चाहते हो? चाहते क्या मुझे बता दो।
I know, we are all secretly wishing कि पेट्रोल और एलपीजी की प्राइस की तरह हमारी सैलरी भी थोड़ी बहुत हाइक हो जाए, बट अलास। ये न्यूज़ भी आई पिछले हफ्ते। A new report by International Labour Organization has revealed that Indians are among the most overworked workers globally while earning the lowest minimum wage in Asia Pacific region barring Bangladesh. Thanks ILO report for stating the obvious and captioning our pain. India ranks 5th in world among countries with long working hours, often stretching up to 48 hours a week, if not more. Only Gambia, Mongolia, Maldives and Qatar, where a quarter of the population is Indian, have average working hours longer than in India. क्या कहा था? दुखती नफ्स पे हमला हो रहा है इस साल। But don't be disheartened. We have something that will make you forget everything. Long working hours, महंगाई, guidelines, everything. For all your stress and worries, we have an answer. And since we are in India, it's easy to guess. Cows. So देवियों और सज्जनों, बुक माई शो के बाद आत्मनिर्भर भारत ला रहा है बुक माई काउ। Days after the राष्ट्रीय कामधेनु आयोग announced a गौ विज्ञान और cow science examination to spread awareness about the indigenous cow and its qualities, an NGO in Gurgaon is all set to open a cow cuddling center. The idea of Kamdhenu Godhan or Aarogya Sansthan Cow Cuddling Center, if you may ask, is to cuddle a cow and forget all your problems. देखा, एक cow भरे 10 घाव. Now this should be the tagline of Book My Cow app if it's ever made. The statement released by the NGO said that when we see a quiet person in India, it is said like his or her nature is like cow mother. हमने भी सुना है कि हमारी बेटी तो गाय है. The center in Haryana, Taro, will be inaugurated on February 28th. The cow cuddling center includes practices like touching the cow mother, hugging, sitting with support, caressing the body of the cow mother, and to breathe with it. Now, just ask yourself before you go to this cow therapy, does the cow want to be hugged? But again, who can tell?
I don't know.
That's all we have in this week's episode. Hope you found some sense in our story. We'll be back soon with more fun. Till then, stay logical.